Assalamu alaikum class, hope you are fine. Today we will discuss about the concept of social linguistics and what's the role of the social linguistics in our field of linguistics. But first of all, before discussing the concept of social linguistics, we need to discuss about the field of the linguistics because it is important and necessary to take a gauge about the field of the linguistics. So linguistics is the scientific study of language. It is the key to know about the nature of the language. It is a tool to operate the language, to observe the language, to examine the language. So linguistic, in this case, we can say that the linguistics is the scientific study of the language. It is the key to know about the language. If we consider that linguistics in the sense like that, what is language, how it is formed, how it is originated, and how words are formed from the limited set of sounds out of limited sounds. And for example, we have 26 letters or alphabets in English language, but we generate and we develop unlimited words out of those limited letters. So the same case is with the sentence structure or sentence formations. Like for instance, there are sentences are developed out of limited set of words, and linguistics also help us to find out the reasons that how and why one sound is different from the other sound, on what grounds these sounds are differentiated, and why one speaker speaks differently from the other speaker. So there are different branches of the linguistics. So what is phonetics? Phonetics is the study of human speech sounds. And phonology is the study of speech sounds, but a study of the particular human speech sounds. Likewise, the same case is the next branch of the linguistics, that morphology means how words are formed by using those developed sounds. Then syntax, it studies the grammar, sentence structure. Further, semantics deals with the study of the meaning, how one word has its literal meaning, its core meaning, its root meaning. For instance, the word chair is a root word. It has one meaning. It is an object which is used to be sit. Moving on, pragmatics. Pragmatics is such branch of linguistics which deals with the study of the individuals, how individual speakers use their language, the social use of the language means it studies the non-literal meanings of the words of the language. For instance, the previous example, chair is a root word or it holds one significant literal meaning, but we can use the concept of chair to give authority, to give prestige, to give respect. For instance, by saying a chairperson. Clear? And but the root meaning of the chair is one. It is an object which is used to be sit. The literal or one meaning is related with the semantics, but the social or different use of the word chair is the pragmatic. Discourse. Discourse is also the branch of linguistics in which we observe that how our communications, how our conversations takes place, how different individual sounds make passages, and how different passages makes in the stories, in the form of stories, in the form of plays, and etc. Stylistics means how individuals differently use language by using certain devices, by using certain techniques. And the last but not the least, sociolinguistics, which is the study of the language through the society. And we have to elaborate the concept of sociolinguistics in sociolinguistics, which describes several social situations or domains in which speakers use language differently. Differ between groups, and groups can be classified as ethnicity, as they are based on the gender, as they are based on the ethnicity, as they are based on the religion and level of the education and age. By giving or exploring the nature of sociolinguistics, we will discuss other elements of the language and the society which can be pronounced or known as a code. A language carries its full phonological and grammar system, and after elaborating code, the next term is and the code can be divided or it can be categorized in two terms like code switching and code mixing. Code switching is a language. Code linguistic, it is a language and it is further divided or classified as code switching and code mixing. Code switching can be summarized as CS by saying CS and so code switching is the practice of moving back and forth between two languages or between two dialects or registers of the same language at one time. Here the concept register must be known by you people that register is the use of language according to the users and dialect is the variety of the language. And code mixing is the mixing of two or more languages or language varieties in speech. Sometimes these two forms can be used as interchangeably. Code mixing is a concept where we are showing our behavior of the language and our exposure of the language as a multilingual and we are mixing several codes with one language, and code switching where we switch from one language to another language. So the another elaboration of the dialect is also necessary for the field of sociolinguistics, that it should be developed. So then after elaborating code and code types, code switching and code mixing, the next term is dialect. A dialect is a regional and a social variety of language. This is such a variety of language which distinguishes its pronunciation, its grammar, and its vocabulary from the other variety of language. So dialect can be divided and can be classified into other types. There are two types of the dialect, like an idiolect and the sociolect. An individual, distinctive, and unique use of language, including speech, means it is the personal or the individual use of the language. It is a variety of language which is associated with a particular social group. It is developed in owing to the effects of education, occupation, profession, and social status, religion, and so on and so forth. So, to sum up, we may gather today's discussion is that the sociolinguistics is such a branch of a linguistic which emphasizes and on the use of the language through the society, or the society, how a society social glimpse about the language and how a language is promoted, is developed through the society, how the social communities or how the communities and how the society can use the language, whether they are using language similarly, whether they are differently, or the amalgamation of the both two concepts. So we have discussed about the phenomena of the sociolinguistics like code switching, code borrowing under the heading of the code. Code and language is one and same thing. And what is language? Language is a structure or a set of words which carries or carries or enjoys a full structure of the grammar, pronunciation, sound, vocabulary system, each and everything included in this phenomena. Then we discussed dialect, idiolect under the heading of the dialect, and this dialect is divided into idiolect and the sociolect. So in our further classes we have to discuss the other important elements, the other important categories regarding sociolinguistics. If you have any queries, if you have any question, you can ask through LMS by giving your comments, by giving your discussions, and you can also discuss it with me with any phone call or WhatsApp, where you ever feel like. But if you have any queries, if you have any questions, you may ask. See you in next class. Stay blessed.